Let's Green, Digital and Animate Rural Inclusive Territories. Funded by the European Union. Views and opinions expressed are, however, those of the authors only and do not necessarily reflect those of the European Union or the ANPCDEFP. Neither the European Union nor the ANPCDEFP can be held responsible for them. Module 4. New Communication Era for Sustainable Rural Development. Story: GAL internal employee becoming community ambassadors. Our mission is to turn each of you into community PR ambassadors. We'll communicate internally using digital tools like newsletters, video rooms, and chats. But it's not just about communication, it's about creating a community within our team. Let's start with digital newsletters to share our stories about working with the community.
I've got a few stories to share already. Let's make it happen.
Today, we unveil our stories to each other. Let's make our community feel our passion and commitment.
Just posted my story. Can't wait for the community to see it.
Video rooms will bring us together, even from our home offices. Let's schedule regular check-ins and brainstorming sessions to strengthen our bond.
It feels more personal already. Looking forward to our virtual brainstorming sessions.
We'll start to use Miro as a collaboration platform to enhance teamwork and project planning. Let's use it to visualize our community initiatives, brainstorm ideas, and collaborate effectively.
This will make our planning more dynamic. Great addition, Rosa.
In the team building today, we're stepping out of our comfort zones to better understand the challenges our community faces. Lucian, George, I've arranged a special workshop to immerse ourselves in real community problems. You will ask the local people which are the problems they are confront.
I've identified the problem about inadequate access to education in our community.
Mine is about the lack of affordable housing. These are critical issues.
Lucian, George, share your thoughts. How can we, as a community action group, address these challenges?
For education, maybe we could initiate after-school programs or partner with local schools to provide additional resources.
And for affordable housing, what if we collaborate with local builders and government agencies to create affordable housing initiatives?
Maybe even organize community fundraisers.
Excellent. As a team, you have to continue to share ideas, and I will facilitate the discussion, guiding toward feasible and impactful solutions. Later will involve also other colleagues on the Miro platform. We're not just colleagues, we're mentors and guides for each other. Let's extend these mentorship programs to the community, fostering growth and development.
This will create a lasting impact, not just in our workplace but throughout the community. I'm eager to get involved.
Through a comprehensive approach, we successfully transforms ourselves into community PR ambassadors, fostering collaboration and engagement while addressing community issues and promoting mentorship. Now you are prepared to better respond to the need of our community. Scenario realized by Edu4. Technical design realized by Edu4.